Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant, and today I'm going to share with you my latest, newest toy. Well, it's actually an old toy, but it's new to me. This is a 1956 Morse home sewing machine. I picked it up 1 week ago, I think, at a yard sale, maybe 2 weeks, I think 1 week ago, for $30. And I spent a little time doing a little research and figured out how to dial it in, and it seems to run great. The one issue I have with it is the cord that runs to the foot pedal is really short, and I want a longer cord so I can set it up on a workbench and operate the pedal while standing as opposed to sitting. So today I'm going to splice into the current cord and make it longer. And so that's what I'm going to do. And then when I'm done, I will, I don't know, maybe I'll stitch on this little piece of fabric that I've been playing with. Take two. That other cord I was going to upcycle, the gauge was too small. So I have this really kind of nasty white cheapo extension cord. I didn't want to use this because it's white and the existing cord is black, but it's what I got, so I'm going to use it. I did snip the end off here and the gauge does seem to match up. So we'll use this. I am not a master electrician, but I have wired a few things up. And for my electrician friends out there, they're going to laugh at me. I am essentially going to use this kit from Harbor Freight to wire it up. Make it easy, I mean. Oh. I thought this would be interesting. I took the pedal apart. You can see the date there, December 1956. I took the pedal apart to see if I could change out the plug, but I can't. So, simple pedal. But this I found interesting. It shifts across the ends of these springs, and I suspect there's a different resistance rating for each of those springs, and so that controls the speed of the motor. Don't ask me exactly how that works, I don't know, but it's really cool and very mechanical. So I'll put this back together because I'm not modifying this, but I thought I'd share with you that. If you look inside here, the cords are crimped in or riveted into place. I'm not going to mess with that integrity. I'm just going to snip it out here, strip a section off, strip an end of this off, crimp them together, heat shrink it, and then try to very carefully put it back in there. All right, I got everything plugged in. Here's the moment of truth. Put this on the floor. Got my random scrap. See what this thing can do. I'd call that a success. And that's that. I'm going to sew something here in a minute, and maybe that will be my next video or video after. Enjoy, and peace out, everyone. Bye.